welcome back with Tom. It's been too long I didn't make video. I take the long break. This video I'm gonna do the baby carrot. It's gonna same what we do before, but we're just gonna redo it. Now let me show you the list of items you need. First, we're gonna make the 4 wheel. It's gonna be 5 row of the diapers each wheel. We're gonna wrap with the rubber band like this. Here, after we make the 4 wheel and we put on the paper towel roll, and then we're gonna wrap with the ribbon, just like this. Here's with the 4 wheel, it just look like this. Here we're gonna make the main part of the baby carrot. I used the 7 diapers, 3 rare, just like this, and you wrap with the rubber band. It's really tight. It's look good, perfect like this, and you're gonna wrap with the receiving blanket. Just you can wrap like the gift set. Here's all 21 diapers wrapped just like the package, just like this. Now I got the 13 diapers. This thing gonna be top of the baby carrot, and I just gonna roll it up with the receiving blanket, just like this, and toward the end. And after that, you just use the paper clip the end like this. Now we're gonna use the receiving blankets wrap around on top the baby carrot. Just fold the half like this and put it up. Like this. Here, after you wrap with the receiving blanket, and you put the ribbon and tie with the bow on top like this. Now we're gonna put the top on top the wheel, just like this. And I put the ribbon underneath the wheel because we're gonna tie it up with this. Yeah, just like this. And you're gonna use the ribbon, just go the underneath the top. So like this. Here we go. Here I tie the bow in the back with the ribbon, just like this. And we're gonna go to the next step. Now I'm gonna use the blankets, fluffy blankets, and I fold the third like this, and then I'm gonna wrap around the baby carrot toward the end, and you're gonna use the paper clip to clip to the end, both sides. Gonna be like that. I use the paper clip to hold the blanket like this. Now I'm gonna use the big ribbon and tie with the bow in the back, just like this. Here I make the handle. You use the receiving blanket, wrap with the coat hanger, and wrap with the ribbon and bend it just like this. And then you just tuck it inside just the way you like it. Now the main part is done, so you just add the accessory or stuffed animal, anything you want. Here it's all done. I add the flower and the wheels and stuffed animals in the front, and you can add anything you want. So that's pretty much done. This is my warm-up video after I have the long break. Please stay tuned. We're gonna have new video coming up with the new design. Thank you for watching me again, and see you next time.